How to uninstall Valorant completely. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you how you can uninstall Valorant completely off your computer. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. So first things first, one of the easiest way is to just go into your search bar and just type in apps and browser control right here, or you can just simply go into add and remove programs. All right, now once you're over here, just scroll down until you find Valorant. Here you go. You can see right here, 52 gigabytes. Just simply click on these three buttons and click on uninstall. This will uninstall Valorant completely off your computer. Another way that you can do this, I'm not going to install this game because I actually play this game and I like it. But you can just simply uninstall it from here. I'm going to show you the steps, what you need to do. The other way is to open up your Riot client, right? Open up your client. And once it's opened up, just go into your apps and games. Right here, you will find it. And here you can uninstall it as well. Okay, how do I do that actually? But recently they've updated it and they removed the option to uninstall it from here, but that's fine because I've already showed you how you can uninstall it from the add and remove program. Another way is to just simply go ahead and delete the entire directory. So just find the game where you have it installed. Here we go, Riot Games. Go into Valorant, and over here you can just press the shift and delete button. This will delete the game permanently. If you go ahead and just simply hit the delete button or just simply click on delete from here, it'll just move it into the trash bin, and you gotta do the extra step. So if you want to permanently delete it, select the folder and just shift and delete the folder, and it will completely delete the game. Another way that you can do this is by pressing shift plus R, hit the percentage sign and local app data percentage, right? And here it'll open up the app data and local app data. Just scroll down or press V and it will select the Valorant folder, and then just simply delete this one as well. It will delete all the remaining files that were left on your PC, and there you have it. That is how you completely remove the Valorant game off your PC. So thank you for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment sections down below, and I will get back to them as soon as possible. So thank you for watching. Until next time, take care and goodbye.